Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do a circle transition for two photos added on CapCut. So here you need to add two photos to CapCut and then make one of them as overlay. So I'm going to make it as overlay, then put it like this. Okay, and then after that copy the overlay and put it at the bottom. Okay, and click on the first overlay and go to cut out and choose to remove the background. Okay, after that add a keyframe at the beginning of the first overlay and then another one aligned with the start or the beginning of the second overlay, so in here. And then at the first keyframe drag the overlay down until you can't see it. Okay, and after that go to grabs, then select the ease out one, click on a check icon, and then after that click on the second overlay and go to layer and choose one, click on a check icon, and then go to mask, select circle and make it smaller like this. Okay, and then add a keyframe at the beginning and then another one before the end of the clips. So in here go to mask again, oops, and now make the circle bigger. Okay, until it go like this, and then click on the check icon, go to grabs in between the keyframes and then click on custom, edit, make 2 point like this. Okay, then make this grab, click on a check icon, and then it will go like this and you are done with the circle transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.